Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it's a little Nissan Juke 1.2 turbo. It's a Tekna spec, so it's a high spec one. 76,000 miles. Very clean and tidy. Good spec on this one as well. It's got the big pan sunroof. It's got privacy glass. It's got full black leather. Bluetooth streaming, USB connectivity, sat nav. 360 cameras with reverse camera as well. Cruise control. Yeah, it is a nice spec car. Does drive well. Service history showing a recent timing chain as well, which is an expensive job if you had to do that yourself. It's all nice and clean. It's just all been machine polished. Nice leather, all in good condition. You've got a touchscreen for your stereo there. You've got climate controlled air conditioning at the bottom. That also doubles up for different drive modes. You can have economy or power or whatever mode you're in. You can have the engine performing to suit you. 76,306 miles as we do the video today. I say really has most of the spec on it that you would want. Now it will come with a service, it will come with a new MOT. We always aim for no advisories on your MOT as well. And it will come with 3 months parts and labour warranty. More pictures on the website, that's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or give us a call 07 868 722 133.